severe weather event with the 2 rounds. The first one Friday night, early Saturday, but the main show is Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. And this is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes and severe storms with that second round. And number one, the entire state of Alabama is in a hatched area, which means significant severe weather is likely. This means the chance of a few violent, long-track tornadoes. And it means the chance of many storms with very strong, damaging winds and very large hail. And the chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a given point, basically up to 50% in many parts of the state. And that is a very meaningful number there.